and children openly came out for the first time, and they're jubilant. I got a young boy, 10, 11-year-old. I said, bring this flag down. And then I opened this packet. This was my Bangladesh flag, which at that time had Bangladesh map. I said, go and raise it on top.
Yeah, okay.
General, I didn't do that. I gave it to him because here is the political symbolism. I wanted to tell the nation and everybody for history that we fought for a flag, for a country. We bring this flag, but we give it to the new generation to raise. And we hope
that's the right thing to do.
They raise, and it is for them to defend it. So in our war, we have two things. One is the military side to win. The other one is to tell the new generation and the generations in the future that this is for you we brought, and you raise it and you protect it.
Oh, yeah. On behalf of the Indian Army, though I am retired, I'd like to thank you both for your, shall I say, pivotal role in the sectors you were working in for the liberation of Bangladesh. My congratulations go to you. It's a great privilege for me to sit with you and listen to you, and I thank you and the people of Bangladesh, the Mukti and the East Bengal battalions and all the others who took part.
EPR also.
EPR, yes, EPR.
EPR played a very vital role.
EPR, thank you, sir, very much. I salute you both.
Thank you. I want to raise one simple question. But Major Rafiqul Islam Biruttam is telling how the Bangladeshis, Bengali people were fighting. They were fighting for their emancipation. So it is very natural, with all glory, with all they have, they will fight. This is very natural. But when I think, I was also a young man at that time, I have seen in my naked eyes a young Indian soldier, when he got bullet on the head, a young man, how he was bleeding profusely. Now, at the old days, I'm thinking, "Obi to koi maa ka lal tha." He was shedding blood. He was not a Bengali. He was a Rajput. He was a Sikh. He was a Gurkha. But he is shedding his blood for my country. So I think this is high time, when both the forces are now coming closer, exchanging delegations. These fallen soldiers should be remembered.
Of course.
On behalf of Tara TV, I'm asking a serious thing. If my government, now I'm talking about as an MP, if my government gets a list, how many Indian soldiers died?
I'll tell you, please.
That is also a
we
thing.
Lost 1,400 Jawans, officers and men killed. 1,400 killed, 4,000 wounded.
In Bangladesh side.
Yes, in the Bangladesh operation. 1,400 killed, 4,000 plus wounded.
Yes.
We should never forget their sacrifice. From the Mukti side and the people of Bangladesh, you lost much more. You lost a large portion of your population by the massacres, and your Mukti forces and your East fought well. So I don't have the figures, but they contributed greatly also with their blood. With their blood.
Oh yes, that blood they have to keep.
Yeah,
that is the price they have to
young
keep.
boys example. There are many like this. So they all shed their blood for our country.
Here I am coming to one point, General, when you were there. If we get a proper list, I will ask my government to go to every hamlet. I like to go to the villages of Punjab, to Garhwal Hills, to Kumaun Hills, to give due honor to this family.
Also Jharkhand, the Bihari regiments fought very well.
Very well. Bihar.
The Biharis.
Yes. Bihar regiment. Yeah, General, you thanked our people, and let me say, first I think history, and especially people of Bangladesh, we will thank Mrs. Gandhi and the Indian political leadership.
Mrs. Gandhi, Jagjeevan Ram,
Yes.
both of them
Yes.
Mrs. Gandhi had guts.
Yes.
Jagjiran was efficient.
And I'll give, I mean, first,
And I pay tribute not only to Mrs. Gandhi, Jagjivan Ram and the leadership, but to the Jawans who fought
yeah,
so well.
that's what I'm going to say, that through
It's the soldiers.
Tarak,
It's the soldiers.
yeah,
For me, it's the soldiers who should get the credit. So there's a poem I like to end with. It is, the thundering line of battle stands, and in the air death moans and sings, but day shall clasp him in strong hands, and night shall fold him in soft wings. Night, eternal night, has folded the soft wings against all those who gave their lives for the freedom of Bangladesh.
thank you,
sir.
thank you, General, but let me also thank, I said about Mrs. Gandhi and the political leadership, and also thank our great leader Sheikh Mujib, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujib, and the political leadership and the people of my country.
The first
And,
Prime Minister, Mr. Tajuddin Ahmed.
Mr. Tajuddin was the
Tajuddin was very close to me.
Yeah, so
I was very fond of Tajuddin. We worked together. I have the highest admiration for Tajuddin.
so
That's
I
it.
believe that
Mr. Tajuddin, I was sent specially from you. I mean, you gave me the letter to be handed over to Mr. Tajuddin in Shakespeare's Sarani. You will not believe the Prime Minister in exile. He had only a cot
Yes.
and a stool and a chair.
I'm aware of all that. I used to go regularly.
He told me, Major Chatterjee, please sit down. I will reply it now. And I sat down. He replied the letter.
The one I gave you?
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes.
And I brought it back and gave it to the general.
Yeah,
And
I have a lot of
the
time.
way he
was a
lived.
great man. I
Great
tell you,
man.
he
He's
was
a great man.
Mujib was great, so was Tajuddin. Mujib was a very great man. He took a political stand. Tajuddin organized the freedom movement in
Yes.
Shakespeare
He's-
Sarani.
yeah.
He was a wonderful guy.
So we compliment the Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, and the people of India in general.
Thank you.
And thank all of them. And unfortunately, I met very late in life.
That's
But
okay.
I hope to meet you some other day.
Yeah, I am my privilege to meet you great guys.
Thank you.
You
Well-
fought, you gave your blood, your men gave their blood, and you achieved victory. It was
Well,
people
well-
like you who achieved victory.
Thank you.
Well, General,
I sat, I moved into Bangladesh. I did the border battle. This was my battle.
আমি আজকের এই আলোচনা আমরা চেষ্টা করব আরও মুক্তিযুদ্ধের অকথিত না আরও অজানা কাহিনী যেন দর্শকদের সামনে উঠে আসে। এই অনুষ্ঠানটাকে আমি অন্যভাবে শেষ করতে চাই। একজন মুক্তিযোদ্ধা হিসাবে, as a freedom fighter, I will ask everybody to stand and to honor the fallen soldiers of both
will.
sides for a minute.
Just one second.
Yeah, second. Sorry.